Association, as you know, is a sports and cultural organization. We, in sports, we have got a lot of activities, football. Our team is in professional league. We are also going to participate in women's professional league for the first time. As a part of social and cultural program, we have this Deep Utsav, which is an annual program, to celebrate the Diwali. This Deep Utsav will be held on 28th of this month. We have got various programs planned out. We have All Goa on stage competition, that is Fugdi. Then we have Jodi dance. There are two categories, one for age group of 9 to 17, second one is 18 plus. These are two Jodi dance categories. Then we have fancy dress, that also we have two categories, 9 to 17, second category is 18 plus. Then we have second program, that is off-stage competition. In that we have Rangoli competition, theme is Diwali. Then we have Akash Kandil competition. And then we have Mehndi competition. And the fourth one is Diwali special sweet dish. We want this program to be a program which will have participation of all over Goa. Fugdi we have one category only. That is, the first prize is 10,000 rupees, second is 7,000 rupees, third prize is 5,000 rupees. In Jodi dance we have two categories. The 9 to 17 category we have first prize 3,000 rupees, second prize 2,000 rupees, and the third prize 1,000 rupees. In the senior category we have first prize 5,000, second prize 3,000, and the third prize 2,000. Fancy dress competition, the two categories, 9 to 17 years is first prize is 3,000, second is 2,000, and the third is 1,000. And the senior category is first prize is 5,000, 3,000 and 2,000. Off-stage competition, that is Rangoli, we have first prize 7,000, 5,000 and 3,000. Akash Kandil we have 7,000 first prize, 5,000 second, and the third is 3,000. Mehndi we have 3,000, 2,000 and 1,000. Diwali special sweet dish competition, we have first prize 3,000, second prize 2,000 and the third prize 1,000. So this is, and we might have, depending on the participation and the competitiveness of the participants, we will may introduce consolation prizes also, depending on the entries. We have decided in the last meeting, that we will also introduce certain prizes from all over Goa. We also have another program during this time for the local schools, wherein there are two competitions for the local school. One is drawing competition. Topic is impact of pollution on village environment. And the second one is wealth out of waste. These two competitions we are having for the local school. We are having about 5 schools participating. Each school is going to give 5 students in each category. And we wish that even the parents and their friends will join us for this celebration. I request all the people of Goa to join us in this festive celebration. Now
Sports and Cultural Club. So in respect to sport, we already participated in Goa Pro League as addressed by Padma. With regards to a cultural aspect, we are looking forward to getting a lot of getting the community together during Diwali. As you know, Diwali is a festival of light, and Calangute being a big constituency, we have a lot of talent which probably has not been tapped. So through these competitions, through the medium of these competitions, about 7 competitions with various age groups, we are trying to get together a talent group for, and we hope in future this event will be a 2-day or 3-day event, as and how we get participation of people.
Program was a huge success even last year, where there was a huge demand for Fugdi. This year the demand has doubled. So, but we are accepting only about 14 entries this year for Fugdi, because each contestant takes about 12 minutes. So even with 14 teams, it is going to take about 2.5 hours only for one event of Fugdi, which for the next year we will promote and maybe have the preliminary rounds earlier and the final only on the last day or something like that. Overall, we have more than 300 entries already registered for all the events. And thing is that local talent needs to be extracted, and the message needs to be going to the local community, because most of the events the seniors are taking part, the youth is not coming forward. But Diwali and Rangoli, Fugdi, this our youth should know and should come and take part. Especially people from this coastal area who are busy with Diwali. So the event is taken prior to Diwali so that we get maximum participation.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.